So the question is, write a short note on regular octagon. When an octagon has all sides equal and equal angles, then it is defined as a regular octagon. The interior angle at which vertex of regular octagon is 135 degree. A regular octagon has 8 congruent angles and 8 congruent sides. Every regular octagon has the same angle measures. And next question is, write the general term of AP. Write the general term of arithmetic progression, which is equal to first term plus term number 1 multiplied by common difference. So this is the general term of arithmetic progression is equal to first term plus term number 1 multiplied by common difference. Third question is, if two straight lines are perpendicular, then what is the angle between them? So if two straight lines are perpendicular, what is the angle between them? Then the answer is 90 degree. Next question is, write the slope form of straight line. Slope is equal to it is y-intercept. Y-intercept is equal to slope mx plus b, where we know that m is equal to slope, y is y-intercept, x is x-intercept, and b is the value of y when x is 0. So this is the slope form of straight line. Next question is, write a short note on equilateral triangles. Now equilateral triangles are the triangles which have all the three sides equal and three angles are also equal. So an equilateral triangle is a triangle with all three sides equal corresponding to what could be also called regular triangle. It's also known as regular triangle. Next question is, write an equation of tangent at any point of the circle, and the equation is equal to y is equal to mx plus c. So the next question is, solve 25x square minus 30x plus 9 equals to 0 item and find the volume of a cube with the edge 3 meter. First we have to solve this equation, which is 25x square minus 30x plus 9 equals to 0. 5 5 is 25, so we have to write here 5x ka whole square minus 2. Now factorize 30x, we will get 2 5x 3 plus 3 square, 9 का 3 square लिख दिया is equals to 0. Now u square of difference formula, we have to use this formula, which is equal to a minus b whole square equals to a square plus b square minus 2ab. Now we can see that this formula is 5x minus 3 whole square equals to 0. As you can see that 5x square minus 2 5x 3 plus 3 whole square equals to this formula. So we can write this as this. Now take the square root of both sides. By taking the square root of both sides, we will get 5x minus 3 equals to 0, which is equal to 5x is equal to 3, x is equal to 3 by 5. We will get the value of x, which is equal to 3 by 5. Now we have to find the volume of a cube with edge 3 meter. Okay, so what is the formula of volume of the cube, which is equal to edge cube. Edge here is 3 meter, so we'll get 3 cube equals to 27 meter cube, which is the answer. So the next question is, what is the relationship between the slopes of two parallel straight lines? The slope of parallel lines are equal. The two lines are parallel if their slopes are equal and they have different y-intercepts. For example, by applying formula y equals to mx plus b, the slope of the line 4x minus 5y equals to 12 is m equals to 4 by 5. Therefore, the slope of every line parallel to this line would have to be m equals to 4 by 5. Next question is, write the formula of circumference of circle and area of circle with the radius r. The formula of circumference of circle equals to 2 pi r and area of circle equals to pi r square. Next question is, if 10 pr equals to 50/40, find the value of r. We have 10 pr equals to 50/40. We have to factorize 50/40. We will get 10 pr equals to 10 into 9 into 8 into 7, and 10 factorial divided by 10 minus r factorial equals to 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 factorial divided by 6 factorial. Now we will get 10 factorial divided by 10 minus r factorial equals to 10 factorial divided by 6 factorial. Now 10 factorial gets cancelled out with 10 factorial. We will have 10 minus r factorial equals to 6 factorial, where we will get 10 minus r equals to 6. There we get the value of r, which is equal to 4. That's the answer.